Hello everyone, my name is Sam from Motorcycle Mall, and today I'm gonna walk you through this 2022 Yamaha MT-09 SP. So starting with the front suspension, you get gold colored KYB front forks. Both are fully adjustable. In the rear, you have these beautiful Öhlins shock, also adjustable for preload. What's available on the SP, different from the normal MT-09, is the brushed swing arm. As you can see, it becomes beautiful silver. So exclusive also to the MT-09 SP is the paint scheme. As you can see, this paint scheme is kind of reminiscent to the R1M. And what you also get with the SP version is cruise control. So very, very useful for the highway. Last but not least, the heart of the MT-09 SP is an all-new 890cc liquid-cooled inline 3. What's new about it is most of the internals are now lightweight for better fuel efficiency. Let us know what you guys think about this bike in the comments below. If you guys need any more information about this bike, you can just visit our website, motorcyclemall.com, or visit us in person. We're located in Belleville, New Jersey. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as we did. If there's any bike that you'd like to see us unbox next, let us know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for our next unboxing, since we'll start uploading videos to YouTube more regularly. Until next time, see you on the next one.